how to get your seller updates on their listing. So this is a nice thing that KVCore does, and we're going to go ahead and get into that. So let me share my screen here. And let's take a look at this. So what I've got here is, this is, you pull up your client. So go to your CRM and pull your client up, and that will, I've got myself here as a test client. And then what you're going to do once you pull up the client from your CRM, you're going to go down to, in the far right, you'll see under search alerts and active campaigns, market reports, all of these things in the bottom right area of your KVCore client contact information screen, you'll see a seller report. And here's where you just click add. Now this seller report will go out once a week to your client. And so all you've got to do is enter your MLS ID. I've got this listing here in King City, for example, that we just listed. So I'm going to go ahead and click add. Just put in your MLS ID, or you can search the address, I believe. It's in to Spreckle. No, you've got to put in the MLS ID. Forgive me. So MLS ID, click add, and that will now send a report. It's going to send one immediately, but once every Monday, it will send your seller a report as well. And that'll give them information on how many hits your website has had, also how many Zillow hits they've received also. And so you'll have all that good information going out to your client. So let me see if I've got that information. So now let's say you want to take this off, or you accidentally put in the wrong number. All I've got to do is hit edit, and then go back in and select that, and then just delete the MLS number and save that, and it takes it away. So it's how to add it and how to remove it on your seller updates. And let me go ahead and stop my screen share. Let me try to pull up what that update will look like for you on KVCore. And let me show you how it looks. This is a sample here. Oops. Get my screen share going again for you. That way you can kind of see what the seller is going to see. And so this is kind of what it will look like. Oops, that doesn't look good there. Wait a second here. Let me zoom in on this. You can kind of see the whole thing. So your seller gets something like this. So they're going to see how many showings they've had, open houses, online views, how many people have favorited it. And it'll also show them, oh, this isn't coming up very clear here. It'll also show them how many Zillow hits they've had, Trulia, your website. It kind of gives them all that. And then any comments you may put in as well, they will see that also. So showing activity, all these things that you put in that you can manage your listing yourself, and that will get to going on KVCore. So with your seller update. So really nice way to keep in contact with your client once a week, something that comes with KVCore. If you don't have that, go ahead and DM me or message me, and I'll show you how to get it for free. Really, it's part of, for all real estate agents of EXP, it's part of your, I believe it's $80 or $90 a month that we pay for a technology fee. So anyway, any questions, feel free to give me a call. I hope that was helpful for you. Just let me know in the comments.